day she's gone, she's a half-written poem. She went out for cigarettes and never came home. And I swallowed the sun and screamed and wailed straight down to the dirt so I could find her trail spread out across the great divide. Well, I've just come to talk St. Valentine. I never pictured you living here with the rats and the vines. Ain't that my old heart hanging out on your line? Are you all fucked up, St. Valentine? Now I circle the bars on the promenade, while the girls in the glass, they're just throwing me shade. And I'm saving my coins up for Jingle and Jane. She's out plucking strings in the pouring, pouring. She's out plucking strings in the pouring rain.
We're heading out for kind of like a day hike. We're gonna hike from our campsite here, and then we're gonna go along the beach and to the lighthouse, and then loop in the Ludington State Park, and then end up back here hopefully. So. I'm on crooked feet, St. Valentine. I've circled this map till it caught on fire. Now Grace, she has left you just skin and bone. Well, you hang up your head, but you can't call it home. Well, you've tried and you've tried, but you can't call it home. You're the loneliest one, St. Valentine. You're the loneliest one, St. Valentine. I think we found some interdunal ponds. Check out some more, so we're gonna depart the beach for a minute and check some of these out. Kind of sucks though is when you get out off the beach, you gotta walk up and down the sand dunes, so be a little bit harder, but I think, whoa, there's a bunch over here. But I think this is kind of a cool little unique feature of Nordhouse.
Well, you hang up your head, but you can't call it home. Well, you've tried and you've tried, but you can't call it home. You're the loneliest one, St. Valentine. You're the loneliest one, St. Valentine. Oh, you're all fucked up, St.
Starting to see the lighthouse right meow, peeking over the hill. We are ready for lunch.
I like everything about you. Everything about you.
This is like the actual trail. This clear sandy path. I think we had gotten off trail because we were distracted by the views, and we thought we hit it, or I think Kylie thought that we hit the path and I was just following her, but we had just missed it. We had to go a little bit further. We followed this faint like forest trail, bushwhacking. We thought it was a trail that was just badly maintained, but it's a clearly marked path. You just gotta stick to it and not get distracted. Here we go. It happens. Let's go, girl. Let's go. Let's go. She's gonna slide down it.
Come on, girl. Come on.
It's cool sand. I think she likes that. Come on. Nova. Whoa. Good job, squirrel.
Good girl. Come on, let's keep going.
Everything about you. Everything about you.
Pretty much at the end of the island trail, and pretty soon here we're gonna come across our last like water source at Hamlin Lake, and we're gonna cross into the dune area and kind of make our own path. So take a break right before that, and I think the dune part's gonna be the hardest part again. So alright, we're officially duning and following our own trail. Really just follow Nova the whole time. Just point her north. But yeah, we're going through right now. We just kind of entered it, and it's very duney, but pretty. I really like it.
I like everything about you.
Windy today on the dunes. It usually is, but today we're kind of cutting in towards Lake Michigan a little bit. There's like a forest within the dunes that kind of lines that side a little bit, I think. We're gonna see if it's a little better walking in there. Pup keeps looking for shade, so Nova, this way, girl. Go see what it's like over there. Kylie Joe's probably mad at me, but I got her to the promised land. Oh, this is where Nova swam.
I like everything about
Alright, we made it back in one piece to the site. And thankfully, it's actually pretty sheltered from wind here. So, we're gonna take a load off. A couple loads.
I like everything about you. Everything about you. Everything about you. About you.
Alright, we're all packed up. We had a nice fire this morning, some coffee, got some cool drone footage. We're all packed up and ready to head out. Not sure how long our hike out is going to be today, but it's really good trip. So Nova's all ready. get out of here. See cars. High five. Good job. Good job, Belf. Nova, paw. Paw, good job. Good job. Good job.